this is going to be my first look at my new camera. I went with the DJI Osmo Action 6. I've seen a few reviews on it. I've had GoPros in the past, but I'm currently using the DJI Mic Minis, so I thought this would be a good companion. Right, so let's take a look inside the box. One little box of accessories and one Osmo Action 6 box and a selfie stick. Let's get the boring bit out of the way. It's a 1.5 meter extension stick. Not sure if this is an invisible one like the Insta360, but we'll take a look. Seems to be quite nice, good quality. 6mm screw in the bottom. Excellent. Next, let's have a look at the camera itself. This is the most recent version of the action camera from Osmo. Seen a few people using it. The idea with this is I'm going to chin mount it on my helmet for POV shots on my motorbike. There we go. It's actually surprisingly light. Quite a nice looking little camera. It's almost rubbery textured. I'm not going to go too much in depth on specs. They're all available online. This is just a general idea of what you're getting in the box. Yeah. This is a new concept on here for me, this quick release. So it'll be interesting to see how they work out. Alright, next, let's have a little look in the accessories box, see what interesting bits you get. Now, I've gone for the adventure combo, which gives you a few extra little bits, if I can get them out of the box. We have the battery charging case, appears to be a manual and some stickers, a self-adhesive mount, a couple of the magnetic fixings for the bottom of the camera, 2 of those, a couple of thumb screws, a charging cable, and a small sachet of knot condiments. So in here we should have a battery box that you can charge and 3 batteries. These are the magnetic attachments. Seem to be quite well made. A little rubber bit to stop it moving. Let's see how they attach. I believe these are, okay, wow. I believe they are omnidirectional. Yeah, seem to be pretty good. The magnets are fairly strong in them. quite a nice idea, so you haven't got to mess about with thumb screws or those annoying sliding clips all the time. Now, along with the camera, I bought a few accessories. I bought this, which is hard to open. The Action 6 utility frame. Just for a little bit of protection. Now that almost feels as heavy as the camera. Now, see how this fits in. I'm assuming it probably goes in that way. Oh, it seems to fit quite nicely. Gives it a bit more rugged look. You can still access all the battery compartments. Let's make sure the old mount clips in properly. Yep. There we go. Makes it look a little bit more rugged. And if, you know, anything were to happen, it should hopefully give it a bit of protection. There you go, I like that. I also bought the DJI ND filter set. Reading a few reviews online, it seems that people feel these are a necessity to get the best out of the camera, so we've got a set of those. I imagine they're going to be nice quality and fit really well since they are the DJI ones. I'll let you all know how they turn out. Also gone with 512 gigabytes because there is nothing worse than running out of memory. And last but not least, because I have an Insta360 as well, I bought the DJI memory card case. This holds 16 memory cards, I think. But I think it's only 8 of the small ones and 8 larger ones. Yeah. Yeah, that'd be handy. Seems to be quite nice, metal. And £4, which was an absolute bargain. So, coming up, we will be chin mounting this with a chin mount for my chin. It's a lot of chins and mounts. And going POV. So we'll see how that goes. Yeah. Thanks for watching, everybody. And any questions, stick them down in the comments. And if you enjoy what you've seen and some of the riding videos, then give us a like and a subscribe. It'll be appreciated.